Hello lovely people, blessing for coming another update on our board here. So today I'm taking you straight through new updates or new tutorials on how to remove your original video background and apply fake one but realistic looking. So let's say you shot a video and your background is not looking all that nice. You want to change it like the one that you are watching right now and apply realistic looking background. You can always do it using simple steps and with CapCut. So that is what I want to take you through. So we start everything afresh. Shoot your video, make sure you get clear video. So you install CapCut on your PC. Yes, you can also use mobile phone if you are using, but you can come to CapCut, their official page. Just search CapCut on Google and you're going to see it like this. Just come to the official website if you don't have the app and download it. You see, yes, download it. Download for window. You don't need to sign up before you can download. Just download for and install. So when you're done installing, just open it like this and go for your clip, your video clip that you want to remove the background. This is our clip. This is our clip. You see, yeah. So we do um little polishing on the video. So first you can see you have video here, audios, speed. So I'll go to video, and under the video we have options like basic, remove BG, mask, retouch. So I'll go to retouch, then take this part and smooth the video. Then I'll increase the brightness small, then I will do few things here. So this is our video. So I will add polishing to it before I go for the background removal. So I'll come to filter here and apply my favorite filter on it. Oasis. I used to apply Oasis to it. Then I come to adjustment. Come to adjustment where you get to see the temperature and everything. So check things small over here, then shadow small, brilliance. So I want it this way. So the next thing to do is to remove background. Go to video, then you go to remove BG, remove background. So remove background, we are not using chroma key because we're not using green screen or let's say blue screen. So we will choose auto removal. So with this one, CapCut will automatically remove the background for you and leave the important part, or leave only the image that you want. So auto remove, you see that the background has been removed, and as you can see, no background now. So cut all the part that you don't want. So I'll start from this side. And cut this part too off. So it's left with our background. How are we going to get our background? Just come to FreePick, a website with the name FreePick. This is the website FreePick. Just come to this website, and when you get here, select this part, assets, then come down, select photos, then come down and select free. Then you come and search YouTube studio background. So as you set this, you get a whole lot of studio backgrounds. Then you select the one that you think will suit your video or the one that you want. So let me go for this one and see. I think this one is cool. So let me download this, apply. Let me go through and see if I'll get another one that I want. Okay, so let me try this one to download. So you wait for it to download, then make sure the background that you are using will suit your skin tone and everything. So this is the image that we are going to use. We are going to use this one. So drag your image and place it on the icon here on the taskbar and drop it in your workspace like this. So what you're going to do is to bring this one top, then bring the image below the video. So it will be like this. Just hold end of the video, sorry, the background, and stretch it like this. Stretch it like this. Then reduce the size of the image or your video like this. Then let's play and see something. So next thing is that we are going to merge these two, and we apply blur background to the video. So merge it to be one. Let's merge it. Let me increase the volume before I merge. So select both and right click, then you will see create compound clip. If you want to merge two clips, create compound clip, and you are done merging the two files. Update on a board and EB entertainment update. Today I'm taking you through some of the performances. So what we are going to do right now is to apply blur to the background. So we will come to filter over here, filter, then we come to live. So with the live filters, you get focus. So with the focus, just drag the focus and place it on the clip like this. Then you see that you have blur background. You see, so without that effect, you can see the difference, and with the effect, see the difference. Yeah, so we want it this way, and let's play the video. Performances that just happened on. So with this, you can apply effect to both the background and the video itself. See, so any changes that you make here will affect both the background and your video. You see, yeah, so that's how it works. On Afrofuture stage, Black Sharif, Samini, Efia Nocturnal, Odumodu Black Crayon, and Charlie, you go love it. So without wasting your time and you subscribing to the channel, let's go through and enjoy great performances from these artists. The performances that just happened on Afro. Yeah, so this is a simple thing to do. If you want to remove background, just follow the steps and you are good to go. You get yourself sorted out. Thank you very much for staying through. I believe this video will help you to do whatever that you want to do with your next content. Thank you very much. Don't forget to leave your comment below in the comment section. I'm always around to help with anything, any difficulties you are facing. My name is Andy. Bless you. I'm out. Bye bye.